This amazing, beautiful 1,126 square meter piece of property, look at it, is about 2 plots and a little more, seated right here in Sunrise Estate, MNA, just a few minutes drive from the Makani International Airport, about 7 minutes to New Haven Independence Layout. The owner wants to relocate and decided to sell off his property. The place is registered, properly registered at Ministry of Lands, and all the documents are available for your due diligence. Seated on this beautiful 1,126 square meter land is a bungalow in front, and behind where he has a little poultry. Of course, I'm going to take you in so you can see what he's like on ground, but you can see the size of this place. It's ample, it's big, and it has a lot of greenery. Now this is the environment, this is the road network, so you have ample road accessibility. There's a well there that has water. I'll be showing you inside of that in a minute, and you can see the space, see the compound space with some greenery, so you can enjoy fresh air, freshness. Of course, you can use this 3-bedroom bungalow right there, or you can decide to bring it down and use it for what you wish, but this is a beautiful house anyway. I'm going to take you right behind. So the owner used the back for a farm, planted some cash crops and also poultry as well there. And of course, I'm sure you're having ideas on what you can use this place to do for yourself as well, right? So now this is the back, this is the second 500 square meter, the front is the 500, so the back is the 500 square meters, and you can see it planted greenery, some plantain, banana, some yam, and some other things. And used to have a poultry right there, but of course it's no more functional. But this is it. This back can be used for parties, for birthdays. You can even host a barbecue party right here at the back of this place. Now there's water in the well, there's a pumping machine right there which he used in pumping the water from the well into the house. And of course, these are the perks of buying this place as well. This property comfortably sells for 60 million naira, but the owner has allowed or agreed for a discounted price of 58 million naira as soon as possible. So you need to call us today for a free inspection to this place, while we show you around and show you everything you need to know within this neighborhood and how you can secure this particular property for yourself. This property won't be in the market for too long. A number of people missed out on the last distress sale I made, and you don't want to miss out on this one. So call us today on 080967376668 so we can bring you here for an inspection and so you can secure this beautiful place. Look at the environment. Imagine the number of things you can use this 1,126 square meter land to do. A lot of things. So call us today on 080967376668 as we bring you for an inspection. Enjoy a great day.